HarborHoist GFCI testing and replacement. This video will focus on replacing the GFCI. Plug the control in and verify the power LED does not illuminate. Verify the power outlet on the dock is supplying power by plugging in another device. Locate the GFCI. Verify the light on it is lit up. If it is lit, then press Test and it should shut off. Then press Reset and it should light again. Make sure during the test there is no chattering noises, intermittence, or the GFCI does reset. If any of these occur, replace the GFCI. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws on the front plate and around the perimeter of the housing. Remove the housing. Lift up the control module front plate with a screwdriver and place it sideways in the front housing opening. Disconnect the power leads coming from the GFCI to the main control module and remove any zip ties securing the wires. Note, these connections may be directly on the module or inline. Note the color of wires that are connected for reassembly. You may want to mark them with tape so you do not confuse them during reconnections. Remove the nuts holding the GFCI in place. Reassemble in reverse order. Reassemble the housing and front plate. Place housing over control module and allow the control module to slide through the opening. Reorient the control module front plate back in place. Secure front plate and housing screws back in place.